To the 2019-2020 school year. Welcome second graders, welcome second grade parents. My name is Miss Hudson and I will be your child's teacher, and we will be partners this year to help educate them. So I have been teaching for over 10 years, and I'm very, very excited to see all the progress and growth that is going to happen this year, not only academically, but also for them becoming responsible citizens. So I just want to give you a quick peek or a quick look around the class website, which is going to be extremely important this year. So please, please, please make sure that you are checking it daily. You can access it as well as on the computer, but more importantly, you can also access it on your cell phone. So this is the first page, the home page, where there's a little bit of information about me. It's just same welcome. Here's my contact information if you ever need to get in touch with me. Also, you can contact me through Class Dojo. If you haven't downloaded Class Dojo, please do so at your earliest convenience. And here's a little information about me, and then our district calendar with all the important dates that you will need. So that's the first one. Next, we have announcements. So if there's anything important going on in school, I will definitely post it up here so that you'll know. And I'll try to also put the date so that you can see the date that it was posted, so that you don't get mixed up if there are too many things posted up here. So please, please, please also keep watch of this for important information. Spelling words. Students will have spelling words this year. We won't get started with our spelling words just yet, but I will announce when we'll get started with those spelling words. I have a quick video about the spelling assignment, and then I'll be changing out those spelling words each Friday. We'll have a spelling test on Friday. Their spelling homework is due on Friday, and I'll be changing out those spelling words on Friday as well, which will allow you all a chance to study over the weekend. So under the More tab, we now have homework. So the kids will have homework each night, and in fact, this is their first assignment, and there's also a little video explaining the first assignment as well. And then as we continue to scroll down, you'll see the assignment. So I'll also be updating this as well because they'll have homework daily. The next tab is the Learning Corner. For the Learning Corner, I'm going to have we're going to be using what's called Common Core statements or standards. And for those standards, we are going to be learning each of those standards. And I'm going to post them here and then let you know what we're working on so that you can see how the work that we do in class also relates to the homework that we're going over as well, and if there are any additional standards that we're going to be covering. The next tab after homework is behavior expectations. We do use Class Dojo, so please make sure you are constantly looking into that and checking that. And remember, you can always contact me through Class Dojo. Here are our rules. They're very simple rules. I try to keep them simple because it's all about respect. Respecting each other, keeping your hands and feet to yourself, raising your hand, staying in your seat unless you have permission to do otherwise, and also to work hard and be nice too. So those are our classroom rules. And then we have additional resources. There are some sites here that you can click on that will take you to some of these fun learning websites. And then lastly is student work. And for this page, I will be posting videos and pictures of the kids working, and also allowing the kids to do some shout outs, and I'll be doing some shout outs. And what shout outs are is just simply acknowledging, specifically acknowledging the good that someone does. And so this is our website. Again, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call me or to send me a message or an email. I'm very excited that we will be partnering up to make sure that our kids grow and learn and be the best possible version of themselves. All right, thank you. Take care.